pandemic isn't a virus. It's the hours we're chained to a chair, built into modern life.
There's a strong meaning that sitting is one of the main causes of especially venous vascular diseases. So we've been talking about that a lot with other vascular surgeons and vein surgeons.
A lot of things that I see, like lack of perfusion, chronic wounds in the legs, varicose veins, and venous insufficiency is a consequence of the people not taking enough steps, like not moving enough.
But what if redesigning your workspace could redesign the trajectory of your life and keep you out of the operating room?
Dr. Uli Andrich is convinced that sufficient movement at work can prevent surgery in many cases.
I was completely on fire for that thing, for that treadmill desk, and I wanted to have that.
After years in the operating room, he realized most of his patients were there, not because of bad luck, but because of the way they lived.
Every operation that can be avoided is a benefit for the patient.
Therefore, he focuses on showing people how to move and live in ways that make surgery unnecessary.
If you don't change your lifestyle, there is a reasonable chance you will end up on my operating table. I will do my very best when you lie there, but it's better you don't get there. Quit your sedentary lifestyle and start walking.
His repeated encounters in the operating room showed him exactly how the problem could be avoided. He found the solution, not just for himself, but for everyone who sit and work at the desk for most of their life.
First treadmill desk, it was a motor-driven one. I've been working on that, and that completely changed my working wellness, I could say, from digestion.
I had no back pain anymore.
And my brain is much more agile when I'm on the walking desk.
And then after 2 or 3 years, it became louder and louder. So it was difficult to make a phone call or a video call on the treadmill. I had to stop it. It was not so satisfactory anymore. With my Walkolution 2, it's much more better. It's another level of a treadmill desk because it's compact. You need less space in your office. It is quiet, driven by my own muscles, so I don't have to follow a given speed. The first steps on the Walkolution 2 with the TheraFloor, the surfaces, so massaging your feet with every step you take, much more possibilities and much more freedom of movement, not motor-driven, but driven by me. People don't even realize how much time they spend sitting, from the toilet to the meal at the table, and then in the car, and then at work, and then at the meal again, and then in front of the TV set. They're sitting all time long and they don't even realize it. Many people with potential benefit of a treadmill for their work life.
After years in the OR, Dr. Andrich boiled the research down into a few simple rules.
I got that sheet of paper and wrote down stop smoking, stop drinking, take 1 day in the week of rest, and start walking. Taking care of yourself and your body so that you end up with me with a beer in a beer garden and not on the operating table.
Walkolution. We keep the world moving.